Holiday plans conversation between father and son. What are your plans for the holidays? I was thinking of going somewhere with the family. That sounds nice. Where do you want to go? I want to visit the mountains this time. Why do you like the mountains? Because the weather is cool and peaceful there. How many days do you want to go for? Maybe 5 or 6 days will be enough. Do you have any place in mind? Yes, I was thinking about Manali. Manali is good choice. We can do sightseeing and enjoy nature there. What about the budget? We can plan it without our budget. Should we travel by train or bus? Train will be more comfortable. Okay, I will check the tickets. Thank you, Dad. I am very excited. Have you informed your mother? Not yet, but I will tell her today. She will be very happy to hear this. Should we also invite grandparents? Yes, that would be a great idea. Then it will be a complete family trip. Let's plan everything properly. I will make a list of things to carry. Good. Planning makes the trip enjoyable. I can't wait for the holidays to start. Me too. It will be a refreshing break. I'm really looking forward to it.